Well, hello there. So good to be in your presence right now. So glad you hit play and allowed me into your world. And hopefully you have subscribed to our channel. And I just want to kind of let you guys know what's going on over here in our world. I'm in my little office area, which is actually right now in my dining room. And I'm entertaining a 1-year-old who is my grandson. And just finished doing A Shay's hair for this next up and coming video. And right now, if you can just kind of tune out the background noise, I'm going to go ahead and do what I need to do as far as filming. I just wanted to give you guys an update on, we recently launched our brand Kisse Girl, which is a beauty brand for the modern contemporary woman. We will have products available. Well, we currently have multi-purpose products for your hair, skin, and nails. We're all around beauty brand. I'm excited about it. Within our first week of launching, we were able to be in our very first retail store, which is in Georgia. We're in one of the stores of the largest beauty supply chain in the state of Georgia, and so we're working that, and from there we hope to be in all 9 of their stores, you know, before it's all said and done. And we're looking to expand globally. So I'm so excited for the opportunity to be able to bring you guys great products that are good for not only your hair, but they're good for your skin and your nails as well. That's our signature collection, our products that are multi-purpose, so that they can be used for more than one thing, which is going to save you space, and it's also cost effective. We've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes. All the formulas of our products are mine, and I do currently manufacture them myself from my home. I have a great team of 4 people. I'm the CEO of the company. My husband is the COO of the company. He makes sure all the operations and everything flows smoothly, that we have all the supplies we need, that orders are shipped out in a timely manner. I have a chief administrative officer who does all of our administrative type things, emails, meeting minutes. I'm just responsible for a gamut of things. And then we have our CFO, which is Milton Lott. Our CAO is Myra Lott, and our CFO is Milton Lott. He handles our finances, and he does quite a bit of things for us. He does our labels. He helps make sure that everything is in compliance when it comes to things being done in an efficient and professional manner. And all of us together come together to work as a team force when we do events. We are all the sales team. We all know the products, and we all go out and work as a team to make this thing happen. So I'm very excited about it. To be great, you have to have great people around you, and you also have to know that greater is He that is in you than he that is in the world. He's given you the ability to attain wealth and to do all the things you need to do for your life's purpose. So I'm so excited about this next phase of my life and going into something that is unfamiliar ground, but I have so much faith, and like, I've done this before, but just not on this level. I launched Kisse Girl back in 2008, and at the time I had 3 teenage boys and my daughter was a toddler, and you know, just for me it was more important at that time to be first a great wife and to be a mother to my kids and not miss those important moments. And I knew that diving all the way into this venture, as huge as it is, that would take away from my mommy moments, and I didn't want to miss those, because once they're gone, you cannot get those back. So I'm grateful that I'm at a time in my life where I can do this, be all in, and not miss a beat with any facet of my life. So I'm so thankful that you guys are taking part in it. The support has been phenomenal. I'm just in awe and amazed every time I look at our Instagram page, every time orders come through and we're mailing them out. I'm just so thankful. So if you haven't had a chance to follow our brand, it is Kisse Girl, KISSEGIRL, and our website is kissegirl.com, and we look forward to bringing you guys some great things. Suggestions are welcome, and we'll catch you guys on our next hairstyle tutorial. We aren't going anywhere, but we'll be here. Thanks for watching. Bye.